Good day, everyone. In our previous lecture, we talked about the maintenance of drone as well as the ground control station. And the responsibility of the drone pilot is to maintain the ground equipment, batteries, and the payloads. Especially the batteries and the payloads, because batteries being the most critical component of a drone, and payloads being the most expensive component of a drone. So, what is it that the drone pilot actually has to do to maintain the batteries and the equipment? Let's look at it in our upcoming slides. First is maintenance of the batteries. The drone pilot has to make sure that the charger is without any damage. The charger make sure is important because it makes sure that the batteries are at the good health. It balances the batteries and it makes sure that the voltages are correct in the battery. Next, the drone pilot has to make sure that the battery packs are without any bulges or leakages. So what happens over time is these batteries start getting these bulges and leakages because of continuous use of it. The drone pilot has to inspect these battery packs before any drone flight and make sure that they are not having any bulges or leakages, because that's the first sign where a drone battery is going to fail. So having these three signs to make sure that the batteries are safe also is what the drone pilot has to make sure. Next is the most important thing is to make sure that the batteries are all charged. Before every flight, the drone pilot has to make sure that the batteries are charged, and if the batteries are not used for a long time, it's discharged. So the battery conditions has to be well checked by a drone pilot. Finally, the drone pilot after every flight has to make sure that the batteries are not heating up so much, because if they're heating up so much, that means there is definitely a fault in the batteries or the system. Heating up of the battery is an indication that the batteries are being used at much more higher rate, and they will not be able to sustain. They will go bad very quickly. So the drone pilot has to make sure that the batteries are fine, because these are the most dangerous components also of a drone. Because I've seen many drones actually catch fire, or actually these batteries blown up because they are not maintained properly. Second is make sure the payload is working fine. So the data that is coming from the payload has to happen without any error. So the data coming from the payload has to be continuous. For example, a camera has to continuously take the video or take images. If there is any image, is there an error while taking the image or the video, the drone pilot has to make sure that there is no error, or that error has to be rectified. Because what will happen if, when you're carrying an actual mission, if there is an error during that mission, the pilot will have actually wasted the time flying the drone or so. Another thing which I've seen is, because of the payloads, there can be many times of power fluctuations. So the drone pilot has to make sure that when the payload is running, especially when there are multiple payloads. So one of the drones I was running was with the camera and a speaker. And because of the speaker taking in too much battery, there were power fluctuations, which we could see from the flight logs. So the drone pilot has to look at the flight logs and see that a consistent power is being given to the payloads. Because what will happen if there are power fluctuations? Okay, there can be a couple of things. The drone might fail suddenly, or a payload might suddenly stop in between because it's not getting sufficient power, or you might find that the drone battery is actually discharging a lot quicker as expected. So that's one of the things that has to be. The camera has to be made clean every time the camera is used. The before and after the drone mission, the camera has to be cleaned by the drone pilot, because what happens, dirt and dust are definitely, but it can start having mist or fog on it, which can actually ruin the lens of the camera. Those All those things has to be made clear. The connection between the payload and the drone have to be made sure that there is properly connected, especially when you have cameras or payloads below the drone. So what happens is, when you land the drone, because of the jerk, many times the connections start becoming loose, and what you will see is suddenly in mid-flight you have lost your connection between the camera and the ground station. So all these connections have to be made sure that they are well done or well placed before actually flying the drone also. Finally, the drone pilot has to make sure that the drone is up and all the components are upgraded with the latest firmware on the software. I think in my lectures also I have talked about this. This firmware is very important, especially for the stability of the drone, making sure the payloads are optimum usage also. So the firmware has to be checked along with the ground station software, so that they are having the latest software, all the software updates, all the bug fixes and all. So the software checks have to be done, especially by the drone pilot as well. These are the checks that and the maintenance that the drone pilot has to make sure that the drone and the equipment is working at its optimal rate. Thank you very much.